Hi everyone, this is Jishika Raj. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of Legally Speaking. Today I am going to talk about the Commission of Sati Prevention Act. After the incidents of Sati of Roop Convert in Rajasthan, the government of Rajasthan passes an ordinance called Sati Prevention Act on October 1987. Later on, Indian Parliament enacted the Commission of Sati Prevention Act 1987 in 1988 to protect the widows by forcing burning or burying to show the love and dedication towards deceased husband. Other action related to this practice like glorifying the sati, organizing ceremony, building any scene on funeral site, creation of any fund in the name of sati or practicing in a procession declared punishable because it is inhuman in nature. The silent feature of this act are this Commission of Sati Prevention Act 1987 extends to whole country except the state of Jammu and Kashmir. It came in force after the notification in official gazette by the central government. The Code of Criminal Procedure 1974, 2 of 1974 will be applied in this act. According to this act, glorification of the act of sati, observing the ceremony and taking out the procession and doing favor of the sati, arranging functions for praising this act, collecting funds, constructing temples, offering puja or any function to give honor to sati will be punishable in court under Indian Penal Code 45 of 1860. Sati means burning or burying alive of widow along with the body of her deceased husband or any other relatives or with any articles or object or things associated with husband or such relative volunteering or under pressure will be considered a crime. Notwithstanding anything contained in the Indian Penal Code 45 of 1860, whoever attempts to commit sati and does any act towards such commission shall be punishable with imprisonment for a term which may extend to 1 year or a fine or with both. That's it for today. For more legal information, subscribe to the YouTube channel of Legally Speaking. Thank you.